Hey everyone, I'm Olivia Vaz, and today is Technical Tuesday, sponsored by Trading Market Technicals, where you request a stock and we'll give you some analysis on it. So we have a stock request from I Woke Up in Pain. That is a very intriguing Twitter handle you got there. Hopefully you won't wake up in pain after this wonderful report on your stock request, which is Nio. Now, this was a really great request because the electric vehicle industry has just gone absolutely bonkers. And we've also seen in the technology side, we've seen the NASDAQ start to kind of lag recently. So I thought this was a really good stock to cover. Let's check out the chart. So really, Nio is a very bullish looking chart. I mean, we have this beautiful uptrend. We have the 200-day moving average rising upwards. And we had a lot of great buying opportunities with high volume on the upside and lower volume pullbacks, or we like to call these bull flags, to get an opportunity to get in there. As you can see, now that we're at the top of this range, the pattern is kind of changing. We don't have that clear opportunity like the 3 times we had before with those bull flag pullbacks. So the question is, what do we do now? What do we look at now? I'm looking at the volume profiles where we do have a very big thin zone. That's really scary. You know, I don't like that this pattern is starting to change on us up here. And so taking a look at the volume profiles, this thing could sell off, and when it sells off, it's going to be elevator down, guys. So a pullback, it is very risky to want to look for a pullback now to buy this. As traders, that's what we like to do, to find a nice buying opportunity. But at the same time, the electric car sector is on fire right now, a good on fire right now. Everyone's wanting to get in. So it could absolutely go back up. I would not short it with that said. So it's tricky to purchase here, but at the same time, we've had some stocks on Technical Tuesday where we see a stock and we'll see some opportunities on where to short it here. With Nio, there's a different story. It's very tricky to short up here. We do not recommend doing that because it's going to be very risky, considering the sector is just going amazing. If you do want to buy Nio, a 23.75, that's where we have that thin zone being stopped at 23.75, where the volume starts coming in on our volume profiles. And then also 18.15 would be another buy zone. 200-day moving average would ultimately be your third logical buy zone for this stock. I mean, MACD and RSI are obviously showing that they are very overbought, but if Nio continues to trend upward and we keep seeing these overbought readings on MACD and RSI, that is totally normal, nothing out of the blue. All right, so that is it for Nio. I remember back in the New York Stock Exchange days, man, it's been months since I've last been there, but when Nio went public, they had the cars actually outside the New York Stock Exchange, and they were super fly looking. So I don't know about the chart, but the car itself is really sexy. Anyway, guys, thanks again for the request. Get them in every Monday night on my Twitter, and also from Technical Tuesday to you. Happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you next week.